Welcome children. Today we are going to start with a new chapter for class 7, that is chapter 1 integer, and you have some previous knowledge about this one. Okay, can you tell me what do you mean by integers? Yes, when we are discussing about the number system, you can recall that when we are talking about a large range of numbers, like when we are assembling all the positive and negative numbers together, that complete group, that is called integers. What I am telling? All the positive numbers, that means all the whole numbers, yes, which counted from 0 to any large number, any positive number. From 0 it will start, that whole numbers. And if we are including that negative numbers also, so that these two group together, it makes integers. Okay, that part you are very much clear, I know. Now already you have gone with some of the operations like addition, subtraction in your previous classes. Can you recall when we are adding two integers, what will happen? Yes, when we are adding, that means we will move towards the right side of the number line. Yes, if we are subtracting, then we will move towards the negative side. When it will be towards the left side. When it will happen? When we are talking about the positive integers. That means if we are adding two positive integers, that means we will move towards the right hand side of 0. And if we are subtracting two positive integers, that means 5 minus 3. That means in this case, we will as I have told that 5 minus 3, that means from 5 we will move towards the left side. Okay, this is for the positive integers. So what will happen in case of negative integers? In this case, suppose I have asked that you have to add minus 5 and minus 3. Which side will you move? In this case, if we are adding two negative integers, then we will move to the left side. Yes, if I am presenting these two on a number line, let it be, if it is 0, okay, then minus 1, it is minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, and so on that side. This is the positive side. That means it is plus 1 and so on. So in this case, if I am going to add these two negative integers, on which side we have to move? First, I will go for minus 5. Okay. Now with that, I have to add another minus 3. That means we will move towards the left hand side. So where we will reach? 1, 2, 3 steps towards the left hand side. So we will reach at minus 8. So our result will be minus 8. So in this case, we are moving towards the left side. That means when we are adding two positive integers, we will move towards the right side, right hand side. And when we are adding two negative integers, we will move towards the left hand side. Okay. So what will happen if we are subtracting two negative integers? Let's come to that situation. Here this is situation 1 I have given when we are adding two negative integers. Now I want to subtract two negative integers. I am taking the same digits. Okay. In second situation, I am taking minus 5. Then I am subtracting minus 3 from this one. What? So here in this case, let's present this one on number line. What will happen in this situation? Yes. If it is 0, then this side it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and so on. This side it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. We can increase on that order. But when we are adding this, that means, when we are subtracting these two negative integers, what will happen? That means we are subtracting minus 3. So first we will move from 0 to minus 5. Okay. Now I have to move towards the minus 3, negative. That means negative of negative. So in this case, what will happen? We will move towards the right hand side. So where you will be at the end, that means your result will be minus 2. So here my answer will be minus 2. So these are the situations we already gone through. Okay. So let's come to the property. In this part, we will discuss about the properties of addition and subtraction of integer. Okay. So let's come to that part. you know that all the numbers, it may be positive or negative, all comes in the group of integers. So let's take, I am taking one example, 3 plus 4. What will be the result? It will be 7. What type of number it is? It is also an integer. Yes or no? Here what I want to see, that say that you can go through this one, that I am adding two integers, and as a result what I am getting? I am getting a integer only. Okay, if I am adding two negative integer, what I am getting in this case? The result also I am getting an integer. Okay, let's take some other example. I am taking here, it is, I am adding 10 with minus 3. So what I will get in this case? It will be plus 7. So whatever result, maybe one positive number, one negative number I have taken, then also the result I am getting, that is always integer. That means when we are adding two integer, or if we are subtracting, let's subtract, I have taken minus 3, then I am subtracting minus 2 from this one. What I will get ultimately here in this case, it will be minus 3 plus 2, so you will get minus 1. That result also integer. Yes, so you can say, when if you are adding two integer or subtracting two integer, and as a result you are getting an integer, that is called, it is this is the property of closure. So we can say that integer is, here we can write that if we are working with two integer, that result always also will be, and it is integer. So we can write, it is under integers, under in property we can write integers under closure. We can write that integers comes under closure. Or you can say that it is closed, integers are closed. Integers are closed under addition, in both the operation addition and subtraction. So what you can say, that integers are closed under addition and subtraction. I have shown this one with the example. Okay, come to the next property. Here in this next property, for explaining, I am taking one example. Let me take, I am taking 5 and I am adding minus 6 with this one. Okay, now if I am changing the sequence of these two, what will happen? In second case, the same one, I am just changing the arrangement of these numbers. What will happen? In both the cases I have added them. First, here first one was 5 and second one was minus 6, but in second case I have changed their order. First one I have taken minus 6 and second one I have taken 5. As a result, what we will get? Let's come to the first case. What is the result you are getting? You will get only minus 1. Okay. What will be the answer in the second case? Here also we will get the same answer. That means what? If we are changing the element of the integers in addition, okay, in case of addition, by changing the order of the numbers or of the integers, the result will be same. So this property is called commutative property. So here we can say that addition comes under, that it is addition is commutative for integers. Here we can say that addition is, in property 2 we can write addition in integer are commutative. Okay, let's come to the second situation. If I am in place of addition, if I am doing subtraction, what will happen? Okay, I am taking another example. Let's take, I am taking 4. Then from 4 I am subtracting minus 3. Okay. Okay, this is the first situation. With the same digits, I will do this one. I am subtracting 4 from -3. Yes. What will be the answer for the first case? What you will get in this case? What it will be? It will be 7. Yes. But in second case, what will be the answer? It is -3, it is -4, so you will get -7. In the both the case, do you get the same answer? No. Here you are not getting the same answer. So, addition in integer are commutative, but subtraction is not commutative. So, here we can say that subtraction is not commutative. Here we can write subtraction is not commutative for integers. Okay, let's come to the third property. Here I am taking one example. Let it be, I am taking it is -6 plus -4. Okay, and I am adding 2 with them. Okay, this is the first situation. In second situation, I am just changing their grouping. Okay, let it be, it is, I am taking out that -6, then I am putting that plus over here. Now I am making the group of these two, that is -4 plus 2. Let's come to the solution, what you are getting in this case. Okay, in first case, if I am solving these two, what I will get? -6 and -4, that means it will be -10, and that one is +2. Ultimately, what will be the result you will get here? That is -8. Okay, come to the second situation. What will happen when I have changed their grouping? Here, what I am getting, see, it is -6, and by calculating these two, what I am getting? That is equal to plus, then it is -2. Okay, when I am adding these two, both of them have the negative sign, so the value will be added, and what you will get? It will be -8. Are you getting the same answer in both the cases? You are getting? So, this property, here we are operating this one with the addition, that operation is addition only. So, here you can see that integers, that addition of integers, it is associative. So, what we can write in conclusion for this one, see, it is addition is associative. Here in property number 3, we can write addition in integer is, we can write that addition in integer is associative. Okay, now the fourth one. Here already you have seen that when we are adding one equal number with the different sign, that means one is positive, one is negative. Okay, let it be +4 and -4. If you are adding these two numbers, one positive and one negative, it is 4, no sign means 4, and I am adding -4 with this. What will be the result in this case? That is 0. Yes, so that means when we are adding 0 with any integer, yes, if I am adding 0 with 4, what I will get? It will be 4. Yes, there will be no change in the value. If I am adding 0 with -4, I am adding 0 with -4, there will be any change in the value? No, it will not be increased, not be decreased. So, it will remain same. As the answer, it will remain same. So, that's why 0 is called that additive identity for all the numbers, not only for integers, for all the numbers. 0 is the additive identity. Okay, so let's come to the exercise. Let's try to solve the questions, and with that, obviously you should try to solve the questions given in try this.